Hey guys, it's KB Pyros, and today we're going to show you our mortar racks for the 2021 4th of July show. I want to give a special thanks out to Susie for painting them, doing all the artwork on them. First off, we got our red rack, 9 shots. We got our blue rack, 9 shots. We got our orange and black rack, 9 shots. Coming down here, we got our gray rack, 10 shots. Our orange rack, 10 shots. Our black rack, it's red, white, and blue paint, 10 shots. And our black rack with the orange and yellow paint, 15-inch tubes, 11 shots. Those are our racks for 2021, guys. Please comment down below, tell us which one's your favorite, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.